Kenya omedo midila e piem mag jotugo mantie kod pek mar winjo nyaka midila par tok Lucas Wanjia gi Elkana Rono lo midila mar gold e ng'we mag mita 3,000 chikruok e sigingi gi ng'we mita 800 kaluore. Lucas Wanjia nolo gold tok ringo kuom dakika 9 gi nyirip 6.95 e kinde ma Jacob Kibet nolo midila mar silver ka jang'wech owuok e piny mar China Shi Quantian nolo midila mar bronze. Tok lo e boma Tokyo, Wanjia koro selo ng'we mag mita 3,000 chikruok e sigingi didek maluore. Kidieny mar mita 800 Rono noteo matek kendo loyo midila mare thuolo machielo kuom dakika 1 gi nyirip 53.02. Midila mag Kenya kochopo odiechieng' mar 9 gin gold 4, silver 4 gi bronze 2.
So I tried my best. I was really fast and I tried to be the first always, but the competition was really tough. We had so many opponents who were making me feel stuck because we didn't have enough space to run. And just around the 100-meter mark, I decided to do my best and make sure that I finished fast after we passed the finish line. So it was just, I just won by a small margin.
The weather today was really cold, very, very cold. In fact, it was giving me a different thinking that maybe the things, everything may not go as we had planned because of the weather. It is really cold. But surprisingly, the only bad thing that we have gotten today is to miss 2 medals in 800 meters.